Here's the build for my American flag cutting board. Here I'm gluing up the Union and those stripes that go with it. As I was gluing up the body of the flag, I remembered that I didn't put the white stripes in this section, but I do get to that after the next glue up. This is when I realized the stripes I should have glued in with the Union, but I went ahead and finished this glue up before going and fixing it. And I went ahead and fixed it and glued it all together. And the final glue up is done, and you get to see what the cutting board's gonna look like. Next, I took it over to the planer on the planer sled and flattened off one edge before taking it off and running it completely through on both sides. Over to the table saw to square off both edges. Then I took it back over to the CNC to cut out all 50 stars. It's a good thing that TikTok lets you speed this up because this process was not quick. After the CNC was done, I mixed up some Total Boat epoxy with pearl pigment and filled all the stars. Then I took it back to the CNC for clearing passes to clear off the excess epoxy. Off camera, I routed out the handholds, but right here I'm putting a 45-degree chamfer all the way around. And onto lots of sanding. I went ahead and sanded from 120 grit all the way to 220 with the little grain pop in between it. And the final step gave the board its oil bath to see what it's really going to look like. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this build.